Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can adjust the loudness of your clips on CapCut to make the sound the same. So here I've already added 3 clips on my CapCut and it has audio in it, original audio. Okay, so if you want to make the volume or the loudness of the sound the same, so here's what you need to do. First, click on the clip, any clip, the first one, second one, or the third one, it doesn't matter, and then find the volume option, volume here, and you'll find under the volume there's a loudness adjustment. So I'm going to click on the question mark first to explain what it will do to your videos. So the loudness of audio clips, it will automatically adjust it according to the loudness of the current clip to sound the same. So here this is the before, this is the illustration of the before, and this is when you already use the loudness adjustment. So I'm going to click on try it now, click on the loudness adjustment button, and now it's adjusting the loudness. Just wait until it finishes, and now all the clips are at the same loudness. So you can just click on a check icon and you are done. So that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this will be helpful, so don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.